Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm a day late for this one. It's Kimmy's Kitchen and More. New to me, I'm joining in with. I love doing this, but sometimes I just can't get it done on time. So sorry, Kimmy, I'm late again. Hopefully next week I can get this video put together earlier and get them both up at the same time. I do Fairy Garden Thursday, also on Thursday, and sometimes it's just too hard. Plus, I had to go double back and work another shift, and that threw me off. So, I'm a day late. We'll see if we can do better next week. Now, go over and check out this awesome playlist. There are some great creators that are joining in. They're always showing something new and different. And let's go see what Grandma did today. I think you're going to really love what I got. You know how much Grandma loves fairies. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know what time it is. It's new to me time. And today we're sharing something brand new I just got. Now you see the beautiful fairy mask back in the background in my cozy corner. We're not sharing, well, we're going to share it today, but that isn't the new thing I'm going to share. I have something even newer than the fairy mask. Of course, it is beautiful, and it made a beautiful display piece, along that it actually fits my face. Here it is. This is what I'm going to share with you. Look at it. A new fairy light for Grandma's cozy corner or her garden. I just love it. And it works so beautiful in this cozy corner with everything else. You know, Grandma's always working on a fairy theme somewhere in the garden or the house. Grandma loves her gardening themes and her magical fairy gardens. And I hope you're going to enjoy what I'm going to share with you today. Just changing a few pieces out, you can make a new display. You know Grandma is the queen of the cozy corner. I do one almost every week. Look at how beautiful this looks with my new overhead lighting on. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. Makes a beautiful display even with the fairy light not lit up. And my fairy mask, and of course, my little fairy right in the middle. She's as cute as can be, and she always photographs beautifully. Let me know what you thought of the cozy corner, but we have a lot more to share with you. So get that cup of coffee and tea and sit down and see what else we're going to share. You know, Grandma's always putting something together in the cozy corner. She loves sharing her cozy corner with you. Look at what a beautiful display this makes. I love my new fairy light, and as you can see, it's beautifully finished off for fall. Oh, I know it's going to be beautiful in the garden. Now, as you see, I've moved my little fairy out of my tray. I just wanted to share with you by moving things around and using things a little different. Each time you're going to see something look a little different. My fairy was beautiful in the center, but so is this beautiful fairy light. It will light up this cozy corner and look beautiful at night. And it did fit in there just beautifully, didn't you think? Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of my new fairy light and what you think of it being in the cozy corner. I like to share a lot of different things without changing everything out, just moving a few pieces around. By bringing my little fairy back, you can see what I mean. And my fairy light is here in front. And it always can look different. All you have to do is move that fairy out and put the light in. Now it's totally a different display. And all I had to do was move one piece out and put one piece in. And everything else stayed the same. But you know, Grandma loves doing the cozy corner. We have more to share. By turning the overhead light out, you can see how much more beautiful this light is. How it lights up the cozy corner with fairies dancing all about. Oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? I'm so happy with this new light. And look, just moving my fairy mask down made this whole display look different again. That's what I mean. You keep moving your pieces around and it always makes it look different. And the light reflecting off my new fairy light onto my fairy mask. I thought it looked really, really nice. Let me know what you thought. I think lighting is very important. That's why I play with it so much. Just moving the mask closer to the light, it reflects even more off of it and makes a different display. That's the fun thing about the cozy corner. I'm not working with a big space. I'm working with a small space, and I can move my things around and make them always look different. Even though I have a small house and I don't do home displays, I can always do something in my cozy corner if I want to. And here is my beautiful fairy light up and close, for you can see all the beautiful detail work on it. It's just beautiful. And she's dancing along the forest, touching her wand to the leaves. Oh my, isn't she beautiful? And turning all those leaves red, orange, and yellow with her magic wand. Oh, 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 I love it. Look how it lights up in the cozy corner so perfectly. This is what I love doing most of all, is my cozy corner. As you know, I do about 50 cozy corners a year. And here you can see the light reflecting off the wall. And we can probably do another 2 or 3 different displays, but it's getting a little too bright. So we're just about done for this today. So please sit down if you'd like and watch the slideshow I'm going to share in just a second. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for all your love and support. Glad you're enjoying. Wait 1 minute. Sorry, I had to cough. But thank you all so much for stopping by. Please check out the playlist. Please see what everyone else did. So don't forget, if you want to join in with New to Me, it's up every Thursday and you can share anything is new to you. It can be something brand new, something someone's given you, or just something you want to share, as I'm sharing my beautiful new fairy light with you. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for all the love and support you always give. And I hope you're going to enjoy the slideshow and all the beautiful fairy photos I'm sharing.